I call you back for the promises you kept and every need you made. Lord, I'm so grateful you were with me every step, and I never forget when I think of how you bless me, how you kindness never let me go, never let me go. You have been so good to me. God, I can't believe how you love me. What a friend you have been. So